Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Residents of Vilsaus Primero Vado staged a united protest against the illegal dumping of construction materials linked to the railway double-tracking project on Tuesday. The dumping has blocked a traditional motorable access route, crucial for local residents. The residents highlighted that despite the hearing for the demarcation and new survey is still going on at High Court, works are being carried in secret. They have called on the government and the district collector to intervene immediately.
So I have given to the letter to the MLA on the 3rd of January 2024, saying that this is my right of way, and all the documents pertaining to whatever is needed I have already put along with this letter. So you cannot say that we have not approached the MLA. But I want to ask the MLA, when he comes to here, when he had come here for voting to ask for votes, that time he came to our doors. So are we to all the time go to his doors, or he should be coming to our doors over here? Are we not people to have a right of way? The double tracking is not for us, it is only for Adani. So I want my right of way, and we do not want double tracking. And also I have given an application for the tar of road, that is on 30th of November 2022 to the Panchayat. So here also I have written what is the requirement for me, that is the right of way to, and this road to be tarred, the mud road to be tarred.
Right to access पे असा तो is a fundamental right as per the article 19 and 21 of the Indian Constitution. आता ते right of access as per the right to Easement Act or Panchayat Act or several High Court judgments जे right to access पे असा ते mandatory असा. आता May 2023 आन Land and Revenue Department promulgation of record of land करून नोटिसा काढलेल्या. आता as per that they are supposed to demarcate a land and give new survey numbers for the so-called railway. Now as per that hearing चलता, म्हळ्यार कितें जें पळय काम पळय चलता रेल्वेचें सद्याक ती लँड पळय आहा ती इज अंडर प्रोमोलगेशन म्हण नॉट डॉक्युमेंट ना त्या लँडाचें. सो आमी लँड ओनरान ऑलरेडी लँड अँड रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटान दाखयलेलें आसा की एज पर द लँड अँड एज पर द इन्स्क्रिप्शन डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी that this land is in our possession and not in the possession of railway. So जेन्ना हे प्रोसिजर हियरिंग चलता वो काम कसो स्टार्ट जाता म्हळ्यार हेजेर सिद्ध जाता की जे साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे और तेंचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर RVNL इज एक्टिंग लायक अ स्टेट विथ इन अ स्टेट म्हळ्यार ते आमचे स्टेटीक डिपार्टमेंटाक कोणाकूच केअर करना.
What we are fighting is for a just cause. We are not here to steal government land or to steal railway land. As Amit has rightly stated, we have got documentation issued by the Director of Settlement and Land Records, which I'll share with you, wherein they have clearly stated that RVNL do not own any land here. This is state land, and state land belongs to the local panchayat. So all this, we have very good documentation with us, which have also, wherein also RVNL also has written that that they do not have access to this land. See, we have a letter from RVNL also. But having said that, there are some miscreants in the village, who are spreading a wrong that this land belongs to the railways. So it is not done. This land, let us put it on record that this land doesn't belong to the railways. We are very, very clear about that. This land belongs to the villagers and will rightly remain so.